Hello everyone, and welcome back to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you two simple ways to add a watermark to your images using Canva. Whether you want to project your work or brand your content, these methods are super quick and effective. So, Without wasting any more time, let's get started. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. So now let's start our video. First of all, you have to go to canva.com, this one. And if you're on Android or iPhone, you can just simply go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Canva, and then install their official website, and you can log in using your free account. So now on the left sidebar, you can see the option called create. You have to tap onto create, this option, tap on to create, and then choose the layout you want to wish to continue with. So you can customize it according to wish. So I'm just gonna do it, show you how to create our text watermark. So at the top left corner, you can see this option text, tap onto this, and then you have to tap onto add a heading. You can see this option, add a heading, or you can also use title text from here. So now you have to type in your business name or brand. For example, I'm gonna type in something like digital express. Now let me show you how you can change the color of it. So just choose the text, and here you can see this option, text color. Now you have to change it according to your need. Here we can see this. So let's do it. Let's change it to yellow. No, this is not fully visible. So this color is perfect for it. Hey, this is perfect. Now let's customize the font. So you have to select the text, and from there you can see this option here. You have to tap onto it, and you have to select font you like. From the font, you have to drop down and top. Here you can see a lot of font here, and here you can see this little crown icon beside the text. So basically these are the premium ones, like you can only use it when you have a premium account of Canva. But don't worry, there are a lot of font available in for free, so you can just use it, or if you want to use these ones, you just have to download them. I mean, you have to go to a premium account. Now you have to select the font you like. For example, I will choose this one, and then set the text to your desired watermark size. For me, this is perfect. Let's make it a little bit shorter and add it to right here. Let's add another S. Okay. This is perfect. Now that's it. Now you have to position it across to your design. So watermarks are often large and centered or repeated for security. So make sure to keep it in the center, okay? Now you have to adjust transparency. You have to click on text. In the top right toolbar, you can click transparency option. It should be somewhere here. Here you can see this. You can check the transparency of it. For me, I'm gonna keep it into 100. You can use command or control plus C to copy this one, like copy the text, and you can just use duplicate it, watermark, for extra protection. Now you can place copies across the image if you want extra protection. So once done, you have to click on share, and then you have to tap on to download. Here you can see this, and download into the PNG format for the best quality. Now download it. and you are ready to save your watermark design. So you have to upload your logo on the image. So let's go back to Canva homepage. Now you have to tap onto this create option at the top left corner. You have to choose your logo. Now you have to upload your picture first. So let me show you how you can add a picture. You can see this option upload. You have to simply tap onto this option. From there you can see this blue text called upload files. Tap on the upload files, and from there you have to tap onto being markup free download email. This one. Then you have to tap open. So maybe I uploaded the wrong images, so let me just go there. No, I upload the right ones. So here you can see this. So this is not the exact page format which I just showed you. I'm just gonna show you on this one for quickly and without wasting your time. Okay, now you have to upload your logo. Go to upload again. You have to choose your logo. For example, I'm gonna choose a random picture, and then you can add it here. But before that, it would be better that you go to elements and search for some frames which you wish to add into your logo option. For example, this one is perfect. Now let's resize it, like drag it to your wish and resize that. Let's make it a little shorter. Now you have to choose your logo. For example, I'm going to choose this one and then add it right here. So as you can see, this is how you can add your watermark or logo onto your picture. And also, if your logo has a background, then you can just simply tap onto background remover, which is available on the premium version, and then you can easily delete the background. For now, let's delete this picture. This is just to make you understand easily. As you can see, I have resized and positioned my logo perfectly here. Okay, let's make the picture a little bit smaller now. Just choose it like this. Okay, this is enough. So that's it. You can select the transparency of logo to 30 to 40%. For me, 60% is enough. So now your logo will be acting as a branded watermark. So the final tips is for consistent branding. Consider saving your watermark text or logo as a reusable brand kit item which is available for pro users. And for multiple images, copy and paste your watermark across page to save time. So, and that's how you can create and add a watermark in Canva using either text or your logo. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, drop your questions in the comments below, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, goodbye, tada.